Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of bonsai trees, and I've got something truly special to share with you. Now, if you're a bonsai enthusiast or someone looking to add a touch of greenery to your outdoor space, then you're in for a treat because today we're talking about the Brussels live green Mound Juniper outdoor bonsai tree in rock pot. This right here is not just any bonsai tree. It's the best Jabuticaba Trees Live Plant available in the market. Let me tell you why. First off, let's talk about the species. The green Mound Juniper is a beauty. With its low growing stature, lush greenery, and those small, firm, silvery blue berries, it's a showstopper in any garden. And the best part? This bonsai is 6 years old, so you're getting a piece of living art that's been nurtured and cared for over the years. Now, let's talk about the presentation. This bonsai comes in an 8-inch rock container, adding to its natural charm. It's like having a piece of nature's beauty right in your own backyard. So, if you're ready to elevate your outdoor space with a touch of elegance and natural beauty, look no further than the Brussels live green Mound Juniper outdoor bonsai tree. That's a wrap for today's review. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, happy gardening!